Okay there, Ram Nation. This is Don back again. Got some little updates I got for the Ram outside that I'm going to be putting on. I'm going to be putting on this aftermarket amplifier stereo kit. You've probably seen from my other videos that I already have speakers already installed, and you saw what type. So now I got this wiring kit that I got from Amazon, I believe, and I'll open it up right now so you all can see. It's been sitting in my house for about a week and a half. So there's the tubing for the wires, and there's some more crimping stuff, and let's see, we got the cable, we got the fuse, the RCA jacks extending, so it looked like I got enough to reach from the radio all the way to the back of the truck. This is what was worrying me. I think this is enough cable to go the whole length from the inside the engine bay all the way to the rear of the truck. So got the cable here already. And it also comes with, also had to get this thing called the Amp Pro. This is what hooks up to your stock RAM radio, whether you have the 12-inch or the 8.4. So I have this already also to go in. See what the kit comes with. First time I've opened it too and took a look at it. So this goes in back of the head unit. There's some other speaker wire attachments here. Let's see what this little doohickey is. Oh, that's in case you want to connect that to this. And this is where all your RCA is going to go into. One for the sub, one for the front, and last but not least, all the rears right there. And so, oh, here's the bass knob too. Also, this can be used for just set the volume for your door chimes, your backup beeper, all that kind of stuff like that. You know, you can set your volume up. You can have it up very high, or you can have it up very low. So that's it for that right there. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's it. Oh, just want to show you guys again. Excuse the mess of my little garage workshop here. Can you believe this is what came out? So again, don't be fooled just because yours says Harman Kardon or Alpine. Yeah, the amplifiers and the equalizer, those are Alpine, but these speakers, as you can see, they're made in China.